Welcome to HypnoCloud. My name is Elena Mosaner, and this session is part of a multi-series training designed to help you awaken your natural telepathic ability. You may close your eyes now. Take a long, deep breath in and exhale slowly. Telepathy is the art of tuning in, receiving and transmitting information beyond words. It is not guessing or mind reading. It is about alignment, entering a unified field where clear perception takes place. Let's remember, telepathy must always be done from a place of clarity and goodwill. It requires an open heart, a centered mind, and pure intent. The field will not allow access otherwise. The first step in telepathic training is to recognize that your body is an antenna, a truth meter. It is constantly picking up signals from the world around you. And it already knows yes from no, truth from falsehood, alignment from misalignment. Today, you will train yourself to trust this natural perception. To sharpen your awareness, take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Again, inhale deeply and release. Let yourself settle into a deep state of relaxation and heightened awareness. Think nothing now. Shift your focus inward. Become aware of your body. Feel the weight of your body, the subtle sensations within you. The natural rhythm of your breath. Now, recall a time when you felt completely at ease. A moment of clarity. A time when you knew something was right for you. It could be a decision, a relationship, an opportunity. Whatever first comes to mind, stay with one memory. Notice how your body felt in that moment. Did you feel light? Expansive? Calm? Maybe a subtle sense of excitement? A deep knowing? Some say they feel it as warmness in the body. For others, it may feel like opening up and connecting to all around you in a deeper way. This is your truth frequency. Your body's way of saying yes. Whenever something is aligned with you, your body knows. It tells you. You just have to feel and listen to it. Now let's test the opposite. Think of a time when something didn't feel quite right. A situation where you hesitated, where something felt off, even if you couldn't explain why. Pick any memory and stay with it for a bit. Notice how your body reacted. Did you feel tightness? Constriction? Discomfort? Did you feel a subtle resistance? Like a pushback, an uneasy pull. Some people even notice a feeling in the mouth, as if wanting to spit something out, like a natural rejection response. This is how your body says no. This is your warning system in a way. Without realizing it, you are receiving information all the time. Your body is scanning every person, place, and situation or opportunity. All you need to do is tune in and believe undeniably that your body is your antenna. From now on, you will notice these signals more clearly. You will trust your body as your first telepathic tool. When you meet someone, when you enter a new place, when you are presented with an opportunity, you will pause. You will listen to your body, and you will know. Now repeat, silently or out loud, I trust my body as my truth meter. I trust my body as my truth meter. I receive and understand subtle signals clearly. I receive and understand subtle signals clearly. I am able to perceive signals in my body for yes or no. I am able to perceive signals in my body for yes or no. I am naturally telepathic. I am naturally telepathic. Let these words settle deep within you. Take a deep breath in and exhale completely. When you're ready, bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and when you feel fully present, open your eyes. You are awake. You are aware. You are already telepathic. This was your part 1 in these training series. Until next time, I am Elena with HypnoCloud. For more transformative sessions, download our app at hypnocloud.com.